So English has developed over the centuries, and long ago there was a type of English spoken called Middle English, and they used English grammatically in a very different way, and this is relevant to how we use apostrophes for possession today. So long ago, if Tom had a loaf of bread and we wanted to say that it was Tom's bread, we wouldn't say that. We would have said, Tom, his bread. Tom, his bread. And of course now we don't do that. We say Tom's bread. And just like the contractions, the apostrophe comes in to show missing letters. So here are some examples of what I've just been talking about. So Tom, his bread, it's going to be Tom's bread, apostrophe to show missing letters. Howard, his phone, apostrophe to show missing letters. And the girl's bag. But sometimes, of course, words end in an S for plural words. So what if it was a lot of girls and they had bags? The girls' bags. Where do we put the apostrophe there? Well, the bags belong to the girls, so the apostrophe can't go there. It's going to have to go afterwards because it's already got an S on it. So we just put the apostrophe afterwards. And the girls' bags, of course, bags is plural S, so it doesn't need one. The apostrophe shows missing letters in a contraction. And an apostrophe can show that something belongs to something or somebody. If you're interested in finding out more about punctuation, grammar and English in general, then do go to our website or contact us if you need any help.